What's up, tool junkies? Got a new one for you. Once again, you guys asked and we deliver. Have had people coming in the last, man, probably 5 or 10 years with a problem of trying to cut out the backsplashes on tile jobs or mosaics on the wall to get, you know, fixtures in or receptacles cut into the wall. So Arbortech has come out with a new product for that exact thing, and some others. Small masonry saw. So coming about a 2-inch blade. There's a couple different widths that come with it. This will allow you to cut, you know, grout lines out. If you're removing tile, it only goes so deep. So it's perfect for the backsplash. The issue has always been you have to take like a 4 or 4.5 inch grinder and you plunge in, and then it's like, well, what do you do for the verticals that are much shorter? That's always the thing. You don't want to overcut. So then you got your little 2-inch blade saw with dust collection. So that can come off if you don't want it. You can also use it as a sander. They got some sanding attachments, some grinding attachments, like for metal work or something like that. But there's another one out there called the Proxen. I think it's out of Europe. But this is the identical tool. Like I said, it's got dust collection. You put a vacuum on it, you can cut right in place. It's a huge problem solver. Also could be used with stone restoration, cutting joint lines out and stuff like that. But yeah, this is a good one. Okay. And then for application specific speed, you've also got your variable speed control.